Okay, say I had like 100 songs in my Spotify playlist, yeah?
Mhm.
And then each month I added 15 new songs. Yeah. And then I need to put that into an equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. How do you
They
have
do
any?
mx plus c, actually. They do c instead of b for some reason in year
Okay.
12.
All right, I'll do that for you then. Y equals
I'm not sure why.
mx. If I ever say b, you just know it's c, okay?
Why do they do c instead of b?
I have no idea.
Like in this new textbook, I've
Maybe
got it.
sometimes it
C.
could be because, oh, I don't know. But anyway, do you know how I would put this into the graph, into the equation?
Is the 15c because
No,
it's dependent, or is it the
other way
other
around.
one?
So C is going to be your fixed term. And then this is X is what's going to go up by each month or each time. So this is fixed here. Oh, how do I want to actually write it because it's easier to write, I think. Here, fixed. And then this one here changes. So my equation would go 15x plus 100. Does it make sense why the C is fixed?
It's like the number of like what it goes up by. Oh
That's
no,
the
it's
M.
how many periods. It's how many periods.
That's
Oh,
for X.
x is the number of periods. So
Yeah.
what's C again?
So C is just your fixed starting point. So if I have a playlist, however many songs in there will be my original number, which would be 100, C. And then if I add 15 each month, that will be the X, the variable that it's changing by. Does that make sense?
Yeah, okay.
Cool. And so when you graph that, you have to start on the Y because C is the Y variable, yeah?
Okay.
And so you have to make sure you start at 100 and not at 0 because 100 was our starting point. And then each time you plot a point, you would go up by 15 because that's our changing variable. Does that make sense?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Do you get that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there anything
do we know how many months we have?
No, but on the graph there, I just put 2 months.
Okay.
This was just an example I made up in my...
But it will give you the number of months.
Yeah, it will tell you.
Yeah.
And so if they give you the equation, the y equals 15x plus 100, and you had to graph that, you draw a table of values, yeah?
Yeah.
And so you would just go x and then y and then graph it. But the trick is when you graph it, make sure you start at 100 or start at whatever the y variable is. Does that make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Let's do some of your examples.
Done 1, 2, and 3 already, so we can do 4, I guess.
Of 4B?
Yeah. Oh no, let me see. What was it? 1, 2. Yeah, just all of 4. Wait, which ones have I done? I've done question 1, A, B, C, D, question 2.
Is question 4 with the one that has Tina in it?
Question 4. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And you said you've done 1, 2, and 3?
Yeah.
Did you have any problems with 1, 2, or 3?
I don't think so.
Cool.
The number of